Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11th NCERT biology 2 times, and from today onwards we are going to start our second time revision of class 12th NCERT biology from the first chapter of class 12th, that is reproduction in organisms. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following has the longest lifespan? Elephant, crow, crocodile, parrot. Which of the following has the longest lifespan? Correct answer is option D, that is parrot. It has got a lifespan of 140 years. Question number 2. Cell division itself is a mode of reproduction. This holds true for amoeba, paramecium, yeast, all the above. Cell division itself as a mode of reproduction. This statement holds true for which of the following organisms? Correct answer is option D, all the above organisms. Question number 3. Reproduction via offsets occurs in agave, hyacinth, bryophyllum or ginger. Reproduction via offset occurs in. It is a type of vegetative propagation. It occurs in which of the following plants? Correct answer is option B, water hyacinth. Question number 4. Mode of reproduction in sponges is conidia, buds, zoospores, gemmules. Mode of reproduction in sponges is. Correct answer is option D, via gemmules. Question number 5. Rhizome are a mode of asexual reproduction in banana, potato, bryophyllum, sugarcane. Rhizomes are a mode of asexual reproduction in. Correct answer is option A, that is banana. Question number 6. Which statement is incorrect regarding asexual reproduction in plants? Asexual reproduction is much faster than sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is often used for commercial propagation of plants. Asexual reproduction can withstand adverse conditions better than sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction doesn't require participation of both the parents. You have to mark the statement which is incorrect. The answer is statement C, or option C is incorrect. Asexual reproduction can withstand adverse condition better than sexual reproduction. That's incorrect because in sexual reproduction, genetic recombination occurs. So the chances of better survival in adverse conditions is seen in sexual reproduction and not in asexual reproduction. Question number 7. Strobilanthes kunthiana flowers once every. Option A, lifetime. Option B, 12 years. Option C, 24 years. Or option D, 15 years. Strobilanthes kunthiana flowers once every. Correct answer is option B. It flowers once every 12 years. Question number 8. Menstrual cycle is seen in humans, apes, monkeys, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. And what is that cycle called which is seen in non-primates? Right, ostrich cycle. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of monoecious plant? Papaya, date palm, mulberry or coconut? Which of the following is an example of monoecious plant? What is a monoecious plant? In which both male and female are found in same plant. Answer is option D. Coconut is a monoecious plant while other three are dioecious plant. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a hermaphrodite? Cockroach, earthworm, tapeworm, leech. Which of the following is not a hermaphrodite? Correct answer is option A. Cockroach is not a hermaphrodite. And what does a hermaphrodite means? It means same organism is having both the organs of male as well as female. Question number 11. Total number of chromosomes in a gamete of housefly is. Option A 6, option B 4, option C 12 or option D 16. Total number of chromosomes in gamete of a housefly. Correct answer is option A, that is 6 chromosomes. Question number 12. Parthenogenesis is observed in which of the following organisms? Rotifers, honeybee, lizards, all the above. Parthenogenesis is observed in which of the following organisms? Correct answer is option D, all of above. Question number 13. Which is the most vital event of sexual reproduction? Following are 4 events of sexual reproduction. Out of these, which one is the most vital event? Gametogenesis, embryogenesis, fertilization, gamete transfer. Correct answer is option C, fertilization. Question number 14. Pericarp refers to wall of fruit, wall of seed, wall of ovule or wall of ovary. Pericarp refers to. Correct answer is option A, wall of fruit. Question number 15. Which of the following is not an example of organism exhibiting internal fertilization? Which of the following is not an example of organism exhibiting internal fertilization? Bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, none of these. Correct answer is option D, none of these. All the 3 organisms exhibit internal fertilization. So those were the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs from the next chapter of class 12th NCERT biology. So do read that chapter before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.